She's awake. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I just woke up and we're gonna go buy some more things for the charger. It's currently like 25 degrees outside, so that's why I had to remote start the car, let it warm up. Let me get dressed. I'll catch you guys in the car. Here we go. Alright. Damn, it is really cold, I'll tell you that much. Hey, LaQuisha. If you guys don't know, I did name her LaQuisha. That's besides the point. Alright.
Testing. System ready.
Alright, so basically, I just wanted to tell you guys that in today's video, we're going to next gen speed and we're getting a lot more carbon. As you guys can tell, I already have a lot of carbon things inside my car. The carbon wheel, carbon, and this is all real carbon. But if you guys didn't watch the last video, we got this. Man, this phone call is loud. If you guys didn't watch the last video, I did explain my new setup over here. We bought this brand new speedometer dash cluster thing from my boy JJ Rebuilds. A huge shout out to him. This is a scat pack cluster. It's got 180 on the dash over there, and it looks so much better. And then we had to use the new bezel in order for it to fit. And this one's a little bit plain, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get some carbon for this, and we're gonna see if we can get any more other carbon for the rest of the car. And that's about it. So let's go ahead, make our way to next gen speed, and I will catch you guys here shortly. Here we go. Alright guys, a small pull won't hurt. Let's go ahead and keep going. Next gen speed. I don't know where the hell I'm at. I just following the directions right there. It's saying we should be on the right and 0.2 miles. I'm just flying, sitting my ass down. Where is this place? It's over there. Shit, I came in the wrong one. I got to reverse. It's right there. I see their Camaro. Alright, let me go park up. Alright, we pulled up. I believe this is their Camaro. I've seen it on their Instagram before. We're gonna go ahead and go inside and see what they got. Here we go. Alright guys, so here's what we're getting. This is the dash carbon piece. Oh, they're all stapled together. Basically the full dash thing. It covers everything. And what's up, man? And he's also gonna check some other things that I wanted to get. So we're gonna fill it up with carbon. I already have a lot of carbon on the car, and I'll show you guys once we get there. It's over there. So yeah, we're gonna get it checked out. Shout out to Next Gen Speed. They already got a car here they're working on. It's a charger. Got the underglow, I think is what he's working on. He's got the diffuser, side skirts, and he's got the front lip. Look at the carbon though, man. Oof. I think this is like a. I think this is a whatchamacallit, Corvette wing or something. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, we got our package. Here's the car. Let's go ahead and throw everything. I'll just throw it in the trunk. Just like that. And let's get out of here. Let's do a little start. Warm start. Quiet, bitch. Alright, we got what we needed. I'll show you guys what we got here in a second. So, let's go home. Here we go. I just pulled up home, guys, and we got a subscriber of mine out here.
Yes,
What's
sir.
What's going on, man?
You alright, man? Just getting off from work, man.
Okay.
Work up at Ford and getting ready to get some food, and you roll right by.
Yeah, I just got home, man.
My man.
Appreciate you, man. Thanks for watching the videos and whatnot, man.
For sure. I just wanted to say hey.
Yeah, I appreciate. I was looking. I'm like, who the hell is that?
Right.
I'm like, I'm in front of my house, man.
Look, I got I got a 20. I ain't graduated yet, but I got a 2014 Dodge Avenger.
Okay.
Up at MC Whips.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Cause I seen old Josh. He had his up there, and I said, oh, they done with his. So I called him. Can I get my car by Saturday? They're putting the Hellcat hood on the Avenger.
Oh shit, okay.
They make them for the Avenger too.
I'm sure they make them for anything.
Yeah, so it's called the Hellvenger.
The Hellvenger.
Wide body.
Oh my god, you better not.
But I love that, bro.
I appreciate that, man.
I'm gonna
Thanks
check you out, and I'm gonna let you see it once I get finished.
I got
with
you.
it.
Send me a DM, man, or something. We'll do a YouTube video together, bro. Just DM me, man.
I want to talk to you about the YouTube. I think I want to start me a channel.
Go for it, man. Just DM me and I'll help you out, brother.
Okay.
I appreciate you, man. Have a good one, man.
Much love.
Yep, thank you. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's finish today's video, man. Let me show you guys. Well, I already showed you guys what I got. I actually got a lot of, a bit more goodies. So we'll just take all of these. What's this? These are some, I guess, sanitizing wipes. We'll throw them up there. We got some more goodies, like I said I was gonna get. Oh shit! Let's throw those in the front. Throw these in the front. And let's grab some microfiber and some cleaning supplies. And let's install some carbon. So, like I already showed you guys, I already have some carbon all around the interior of the car. And basically, we're gonna be adding more to the dash over here. And let me try to figure out something to set up the camera because it is freezing. And let me show you guys what I got. Here we go. Alright, I hope this is good. But we're gonna start off with the main thing, which is the dash piece stuff, right? So this is the biggest piece that goes around most of the dash. And then you got this piece right here, which goes on the other side and it connects. And then these two small pieces for the vents area. So that's for the dash. And then we got these right here for this right here, this area on the door panel, the vents. You know, we're gonna add more carbon to the door panels. And then this right here for the vent on the passenger side right here on the dash, for that vent right there. And last, actually no, there's two more things. Oop, this camera about to fall. We got these two things right here. That's for the side over here. You guys can't tell. Right here, I don't know, just it kind of connects to the whole center area. And then I got one more thing. Where'd it go? This right here. This is the start stop button ring circle. So let me actually go inside, grab my GoPro, and we'll do this together. Here we go. GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we're taking a break from today's video, and I made myself some noodles and I'm on live. So if you're in the live, make sure you guys drop a comment saying you're in the live. We got Alex. We're featuring Alex today. If you guys are in the live, make sure you guys drop a comment saying so. But yeah, we about to be chilling, doing this. We're about to edit this video, of course. So yeah, back to you. Alright, we live.
Huh?
Say what up to the vlog.
Hey, he's working.
Stupid ass. Alright, can I finish now?
Finish what?
The video.
See, you're done now. You put it on me.
Alright, bye. Or actually, you can join us, I guess. Yours can.
No, I can go back to sleep. Bye.
Alright, bye. Alright, guys, so it is dark as hell in here. Alright. So, let's start with the buttons, since those are the smallest and most likely the easiest. How do I open these though? Do I got a blade in my car? I don't got a blade in my car. Alright. So this one is the small one. It goes just like that. And then, I don't know if you guys can even see that. And then this is the big one that goes on the outside ring and gets rid of that ugly silver color. So, yeah. Let's toss these in the back. Let's go ahead and use some of these wipes. Adhesive. Oh, this is adhesive promoter. So what do I do with this? I don't know. Let's clean around the button. V6s, man.
And then that one just goes in right there.
Just like that. Make sure you guys push everything in.
Testing.
Hell yeah.
System ready.
Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I believe my GoPro did die last night, so I apologize on where it cut off, but I did get everything installed. These door vents right here, like I showed you guys, these little side pieces that look great, the whole carbon dash, and then what else did I do? The start button right there, and that vent right there. Let me go ahead, let's cue the montage for my whole interior. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's basically it. It looks so much better. The windows are closed right now. Let's open the windows back up. Look at that. Everything's just like carbon. My god, it looks so much better. Just like, you know, the small details and whatnot. The button over here. It's just, it fits everything. This is all carbon now. And it comes across even down there. And it finishes over here. Everything looks so much better, and this is all real carbon. So that was pretty much it for today's video. And before I end it off or do anything, I just want to say huge shout out to Next Gen Speed for the carbon. They were closed. They closed at 4 p.m. and they stayed an extra hour just to give it to me. So huge shout out to you guys. If you guys need anything for Camaro, Mustang, or Charger, Challenger parts, whether it's carbon, whether it's side skirts, diffusers, wicker bills, anything, hit them up. Here's their business card, Next Gen Speed on Instagram, and here's the back of it. Hopefully the camera focuses. There's their number and all that. So check them out. Huge shout out to them. It definitely helped out. It makes my car look so much better. So huge shout out to them once again. And basically, yeah, this is what it looks like. And I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content here coming very soon. And yeah, it's been your boy Jaime Life. Peace out.